Welcome to the video on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, showcasing titanium perfection in its design and engineering. The S25 Ultra represents the peak of Android refinement, a perfection of the formula for those demanding the absolute best in performance and build quality. Sculpted in Grade 5 titanium silver blue, the S25 Ultra is a lighter, ultra-slim 8.2mm chassis. It is protected by Gorilla Armor 2 and is IP68 rated. Experience the 6.9-inch intelligent canvas featuring a Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It boasts 2600 nits peak brightness, razor-thin bezels, and a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. The heart of the device is the Snapdragon 8 Elite, with a customized NPU for 40% faster AI performance. The S25 Ultra's Orion CPU clocks in at 4.47 GHz. Enjoy deep integration with Gemini, providing context-aware intelligence directly on the device. Features include Press, Talk, Done, Circle to Search, and Generative Edit. Sustained power and real-time ray tracing are delivered through 12 GB LPDDR5X RAM, the Adreno 830 GPU, and an expanded vapor chamber cooling system. The quad-camera array is powered by the ProVisual engine, featuring a 200 megapixels wide primary, 12 megapixels ultra-wide, 10 megapixels telephoto with 3x optical, and a 50 megapixels telephoto with 5x optical zoom. See the unseen with 1x to 100x zoom. The 5x optical zoom retains clarity, enhanced by AI super resolution, offering up to 100x space zoom. Capture cinematic 8K video at 30 frames per second and stunning nightography. Features include adaptive VDIS stabilization and AI audio eraser, along with dual recording. The S25 Ultra provides endurance for the long haul with a 5000 mAh capacity battery. It supports 45W fast charging and offers up to 31 hours of video playback time. This is a future-proofed investment, guaranteeing 7 years of OS updates and security patches, launching with One UI 7 and protected by the Knox Matrix security chain. The expert verdict is a consensus on a masterful polish of a proven formula. Reviewers hail it as the most loaded Android flagship money can buy. In the clash of the titans, the S25 Ultra stands out with 100x space zoom, a lighter titanium body, and full multitasking capabilities, including the S Pen. The S25 Ultra is the ultimate Android investment. The base model is available now with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, starting at $1,049 globally.